Hello friends, so today we are going to be playing with this new toy from Hot Wheels. It's a new for 2021, and it's called the Toxic Snake Strike. My son Lars, hi Lars. Yes, he was really excited to get this.
I like this car.
Tell me what you like, Lars. You like the car that it comes with? It comes with a Hot Wheel car. We're going to unbox it in a bit, but I just want to show you what it looks like, and it looks really awesome. It features this snake which you can add slime to and move it in different directions, and the car can shoot out of the snake's mouth. It looks pretty awesome, right Lars? So we're going to unbox this just now. Okay boys, so we unboxed our snake from Hot Wheels.
As I told you, that's
It's
the
called the Toxic Snake Strike. That's right. Alright, so we're gonna see, there's a few pieces we gotta put together. This is what it looks like. Yeah, what is that, James?
Slime.
Slime. It comes with slime. It comes with a few pieces which we're going to put together. This is the instructions that it comes with. Toxic creatures. It's awesome. There's this piece right here. There's this piece, and then there's the slime and the card which we already have. And as you can see, the slime will go on. Oh, we just have to add the slime. Look, the slime goes right here.
Mommy bought that.
Look at this, guys. This is where we're gonna add the slime, in this area right here. And then once we add the slime, you see the slime becomes like part of the mouth, and it just looks very cool and toxic. Then we can hit the target and knock down the toxic snake. Ooh, looks exciting. All right, so let's put this baby together. What do you guys think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. So we have our toxic snake. Yay, right?
Toxic snake.
We had Lars help put it together. It was very easy to put together. And guess what, guys? It comes with some awesome slime.
Let's put over here.
Okay, we're gonna add the slime. Lars, you wanna help add the slime? We're gonna add the slime to this slot right here. So you wanna add it?
Yeah.
Let him touch it, Lars. Let him touch it. Look, it's very slimy. Show how her sliminess. Ooh, very sticky. Yeah. It looks awesome. Okay, so pour it in. Ooh, okay, so now, whoa. So now look, it's coming out of the mouth. That's so cool.
Oh no, what's
We can close it. And it's coming out of the mouth.
Mom, what's happening?
Oh, it's gross.
What's happening?
Let's see. So we have our car. Oh, it got stuck. Oh no. Who's gonna get it out? It's actually, oh, you know guys, we're supposed to do something. Yeah, we're supposed to do something. We totally messed this up. Hold on. We actually put the slime back.
Oh, man.
So Lars, you want to shoot the car? See what happens.
Yeah.
Shoot it. You gotta put it back. There you go. Okay, shoot. All right, let's try this one more time. Oh, now it came apart. Right here. Yes, let's see if the slime. Right. Let's see. Let's put in more. Oh, I want to see if it goes through here. And it actually goes through the slime this way. Where's the slime? Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Come on. Get the car in there. The slime is coming out. Oh, almost. One more time.
I see the slime is coming.
Slime is coming. We gotta get it. We gotta get the car in the slime. Go. Whoa, that is gross. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna get caught in the slime.
Your car's gonna get caught in the slime. Now,
Maybe you want to find some other cars, see if they get caught in the slime.
now I'm playing.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, let's see the slime.
Ew, let's see, let's see. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck in the slime. Ew. That's a lot of fun.
Now,
Let's try one more time. Oh, it's stuck in the slime. There it is. This is fun. You guys like it? What do you guys think? Is it fun? What do you like most about it?
I like most about when the slime comes out.
When the slime comes out. Yeah, me too. So this is it, kids. Enjoy. Go buy yourself some Toxic Snakes from Hot Wheels. Until next time. Bye-bye. Until next time. Share, like, and subscribe. That's fun.
Mario, gonna make me so. It's gonna be slime.
It's gonna be slimy?
Slimy.
Okay.
Ugh. Now it's gonna go in the mouth.
See it. That was cool.
Joe! And it does get slimy in this thing.
It looks very slimy.
Oh! Let's keep being slimy.
What's that in your hands, Lars?
A slime.
Slime. Lars loves slime.
Don't you do that slime? Don't you like slime with big slime of course? Yeah.